Hello and welcome. Perimeter and area of a trapezium, parallelogram and rhombus. In the previous videos, we have solved problems on triangles, rectangles and squares. And today we are going to solve the problems on area of a trapezium, area of a parallelogram, area of a rhombus and perimeter of parallelogram and rhombus also. Area of a trapezium. You already know that area of a trapezium is equal to half of sum of the parallel sides multiplied by distance between the two parallel lines. So here in this trapezium, small a is the length of the side AB and small b is the length of the side DC, which is parallel to side AB. And h is the distance between the two parallel sides. So this distance means the perpendicular distance. Area of a parallelogram. Area of a parallelogram is equal to base multiplied by corresponding height. In this parallelogram, if we take this side as the base, then the corresponding height is equal to h. So area is equal to b multiplied by h. And if we take the other side as the base b, then the height of the parallelogram will be h again, but this time this is the perpendicular distance between these two parallel lines. Area of a rhombus. A rhombus is a parallelogram only. The sides of a rhombus are equal and the diagonals bisect at right angles to each other. Also, the diagonals bisect the rhombus and you get two congruent triangles. In this rhombus, if you consider the diagonal AC, then we get two congruent triangles, triangle ACD and triangle ACB. Again, if you consider the diagonal BD, then the congruent triangles are triangle ABD and triangle BDC. So, area of the triangle ACD is equal to area of the triangle ACB and they are half the area of the rhombus ABCD. Similarly, for the diagonal BD, area of the triangle BDA is equal to area of the triangle BDC and this is equal to half the area of the rhombus. If we consider the diagonal AC, then area of the triangle ACD is equal to base and we take AC as the base multiplied by OD, the corresponding height of the triangle. OD is the perpendicular distance. And area of the triangle ACB is equal to half of base AC and this time the height of the triangle is equal to OB. Now in the rhombus you see OB is equal to OD and that is equal to half of BD. So BD is the diagonal of the rhombus ABCD. Let us add them up. Area of the triangle ACD plus area of the triangle ACB. If we take half of AC common, then that will be equal to OD plus OB. And area of these two triangles is area of the rhombus ABCD and that is equal to half of AC multiplied by BD. Now you see AC is one of the diagonals of the rhombus and BD is another diagonal. So area of the rhombus ABCD is equal to half of product of the diagonals. The diagonals are AC and BD. So with this understanding, let us go for solving the problems from exercise 20C. Question number 1. The following figure shows the cross-section ABCD of a swimming pool, which is a trapezium in shape. The shape of the swimming pool may be circular or oval. If you cut this swimming pool along this line, then what you get? You get a cross-sectional view of this swimming pool like this, and this is the cross section of the swimming pool A, B, C, D. So let us solve this. A, B, C, D is the trapezium, where this is equal to 6.4 meter, the height of the trapezium. Suppose this is side A and this is equal to B. So these are the parallel sides of the trapezium. So what is given? A is equal to 2.4 meter and B is equal to 80 centimeter is equal to 0.8 meter. 80 centimeter divided by 100 is equal to 0.8 meters. And height of the trapezium H is equal to 6.4 meter. And therefore area of the cross section, that means area ABCD, is equal to half of sum of the parallel sides of the trapezium A plus B multiplied by the distance between the parallel sides of the trapezium, and that is equal to half of A is equal to 2.4 meter and B is equal to 0.8 meter and height is equal to 6.4 meter. 3.2 meter multiplied by 6.4, so this is equal to 10.24 meter, that is meter square. Question number 2. The parallel sides of a trapezium are in the ratio 3:4 if the distance between the parallel sides is 9 decimeter and its area is 126 decimeter square. Find the length of its parallel sides. So this is the parallelogram. Side AB is equal to small a, side DC is equal to small b. These are the parallel sides of the trapezium. This distance h, say this is DE. This is the perpendicular distance or the distance between the two parallel lines, that is equal to h. Let A is equal to 3x, B is equal to 4x, and it is given h is equal to 9 decimeter. So half of A plus B multiplied by h is equal to area of the trapezium. Therefore half of A is equal to 3x plus B is equal to 4x multiplied by 9 decimeter is equal to, area is given 126. So this is equal to half of 7x multiplied by 9 decimeter is equal to 126 decimeter square. 7x is equal to 126 cross multiplied by 2 divided by 9. This is decimeter square divided by decimeter. X is equal to, so 9 14s are 126. So this is equal to 14 multiplied by 2 divided by 7 decimeter, and that is equal to 4 decimeter. Now what we have to find the length of its parallel sides. So parallel side AB, that is equal to small a, and small a is equal to 3x. So that is equal to 3 multiplied by 4 decimeter is equal to 12 decimeter. One parallel side, and another side is side DC is equal to B, and this is 4x is equal to 4 multiplied by 4 decimeter, that is equal to 16. Question number 3. The two parallel sides and the distance between them are in the ratio 3:4:2 in this trapezium. If the area of the trapezium is 175 centimeters square, find its height. So you see, in this trapezium, suppose side DC is equal to A, side AB is equal to B. They are the parallel sides and height is equal to h. Then according to question, A is to B is to h is equal to 3:4:2 2. Let A is equal to 3x, B is equal to 4x, and H, distance between the parallel lines, is equal to twice x. Now, according to question, half of A plus B, sum of the parallel sides multiplied by height, and this is called area of the trapezium. Okay. Now, half of A plus B, A is equal to thrice x, B is equal to 4x, and H is equal to twice x, and area is given that it is 175 centimeter square. So we can simplify this. This will be is equal to 2 get cancelled. So this is 7x multiplied by x is equal to 175 centimeter square. So x square is equal to 175 divided by 7 centimeter square, and that is equal to 25 centimeter square. Therefore, x is equal to root of 25 centimeter square. This is equal to 5 centimeter. So we get x. Now we have to find the height of the trapezium. So height h is equal to twice x, and that is equal to 2 multiplied by x is equal to 5 centimeter, and this is 10 centimeter, the height of the trapezium. Question number 4. A parallelogram has sides 15 centimeter and 12 centimeter. If the distance between 15 centimeter sides is 6 centimeter, find the distance between 12 centimeter sides. This is the parallelogram. AB equal to 15 centimeter and DA is equal to 12 centimeter. And the height between them is equal to, say, H1, and H1 is given. H1 is 6 centimeter. So what is the area of the parallelogram? Area ABCD is equal to B into H1, height of the parallelogram. So this is equal to base. Here base is equal to AB, that is equal to 15 centimeter, and height H1 is given 6 centimeter. So this is equal to 90 centimeter square, area of the parallelogram. Again, if we take 12 centimeter side as the base, then the area of the rectangle, say this is the height then. So in that case, B2, say this is B2 and this was, say, B1, B2 into H2, that is also the area ABCD, area of the parallelogram. So here B2 is given, that is equal to 12 centimeter, and H2 we have to find out. And area ABCD is the same area. This is the area of the parallelogram, that is equal to 90 centimeter square. H2 is equal to 90 divided by 12. Here it is centimeter square divided by centimeter, and this is equal to 7.5 centimeter. This is the answer. Find the distance between 12 centimeter sides. So H2 is the distance between 12 centimeter sides. Question number 6. The adjacent sides of a parallelogram are 21 centimeter and 28 centimeter. If its one diagonal is 35 centimeter, find the area of the parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram. Sides are 20 centimeter and 21 centimeter, adjacent sides. One of the diagonals, suppose the diagonal DB is equal to 35 centimeter. Now, here in this parallelogram, the height between the parallel sides are not given. So we cannot find the area of a parallelogram with the formula base multiplied by corresponding height. But in this case, you can see this is also 28 and this is 21. So we can find the area of the individual triangles. Because the triangles are equal, we can find the area of the triangle by Hero's formula, and if we multiply the area by 2, then we will get the area of the parallelogram. But there is another way we can solve specifically in this question. 21 squared plus 28 squared is equal to 21 square equal to 441 plus 28 square equal to 784. This is equal to 1225 and this is equal to 35 square. So what we actually get, we get AD square plus AB square is equal to BD square, and this is Pythagoras theorem for triangle, and if this Pythagoras theorem is applicable to this triangle, then triangle ABD is a right angled triangle and DA is perpendicular to AB. So DA is the height of the parallelogram, or you can say ABCD is a rectangle. Therefore, area ABCD, if we take it as a rectangle, then that is equal to base into edge. So if base is equal to 28, then the adjacent side is the height of the parallelogram, that is equal to 21, and this is centimeter square, and this will be equal to 588 centimeter square. Area of the parallelogram ABCD. In fact, this parallelogram is a rectangle. Question number 7. The diagonals of a rhombus are 18 centimeter and 24 centimeter. Find its area, the length of its sides, and its perimeter. So ABCD is a rhombus and its diagonals are, say, BD is equal to 18 centimeter and AC is equal to 24 centimeter. So for number 1, area of the rhombus, so this is ABCD and this is equal to 216 centimeter square. Now number 2, we have to find the length of its sides. So we know that in a rhombus, the diagonals bisect each other at an angle of 90 degree. They bisect at right angles. So if O is the point of bisection, OB is equal to OD, and that is equal to half of BD, and this is equal to BD is 18 centimeters, so this is equal to 9 centimeter. Again, AC is bisected, so OA is equal to OC, that is equal to half of AC, and AC is 24 centimeters, so this is equal to 12 centimeter. So diagonals bisect each other at right angles. So whatever triangles we get, all triangles are right angle triangle. Similarly, OAB, this is also a right angle triangle. So if we take the triangle OAB, this is a right angled triangle, and angle AOB is equal to 90 degree. So in a right angle triangle, AB square hypotenuse square is equal to OA square plus OB square, and OA square, that is equal to 12 centimeter square, plus OB is equal to 9 centimeter square. So 12 centimeter square is equal to 144, and 9 square is equal to 81, this much of centimeter square. So this is equal to 225 centimeters square. Therefore, AB is equal to root over 225 centimeters square, and this is equal to 15 centimeter. So what is AB? AB is one of the sides of the rhombus. Number 2, length of the sides of the rhombus is 15 centimeter. Now number 3, perimeter. So perimeter of a rhombus is equal to 4 multiplied by A, where A is the side of a rhombus. So 4 multiplied by 15 centimeter. This is equal to 60 centimeter. Perimeter of the rhombus ABCD. Question number 8. The perimeter of a rhombus is 40 centimeter. If one diagonal is 16 centimeter, find its other diagonal and area. Suppose the side of rhombus is equal to A, and it is given for A, perimeter is equal to 40 centimeter. Therefore, A is equal to 10 centimeter. This is the side of the rhombus. Both the diagonals cut at a point O at right angles to each other. Suppose the diagonal DB is equal to 16 centimeter, then OB is equal to OD is equal to half of DB. So this is equal to 8 centimeter. Now side of the rhombus is A. This is already given. A is equal to, we have find out, 10 centimeter. You see, triangle OAB is a right angle triangle. So therefore OA square is equal to AB square hypotenuse square minus OB square, Pythagoras theorem. AB is equal to 10 centimeter square minus OB is 8 centimeter square. So this is equal to 100 minus 64 centimeter square, and this is equal to 36 centimeter square. Therefore, OA is equal to 6 centimeter. So we can find out number 1 is the other diagonal. So other diagonal is diagonal AC is equal to twice OA, because O is the midpoint of AC also. So this is equal to 2 multiplied by OA is 6 centimeter, and this is equal to 12 centimeter. So the other diagonal is 12 centimeter long. Now number 2, area of the rhombus, that is area ABCD, is equal to half of product of the two diagonals BD multiplied by AC, and BD is equal to 16 centimeter multiplied by AC is equal to 12 centimeter. So this is equal to 96 centimeter square. Question number 9. Each side of a rhombus is 8 centimeter. If the distance between two parallel sides is 12 centimeter, find its area. Suppose AB is equal to 8 centimeter and distance between AB and DC, two parallel sides, is given. H is equal to 12 centimeter. So if we consider this rhombus to be a parallelogram, then we can use the formula of area of a parallelogram. So simply we can write area ABCD is equal to B into H. Now B, we take the side AB as the base, and then height is given, that is equal to 12 centimeter. So AB is 8 centimeter multiplied by 12 centimeter. So this is equal to 216 centimeter square. Question number 10. The length of the diagonals of a rhombus is in the ratio 4:3. If its area is 384 cm square, find its side. ABCD is a rhombus and both the diagonals intersect each other at right angles. So let AC is equal to 4x and BD is equal to 3x. So what we get? AC is to BD or DB is equal to 4:3. Given that the diagonals of the rhombus is in the ratio 4:3. So for this rhombus, half of AC into BD is equal to area ABCD, area of the rhombus. So half of AC is 4x multiplied by BD is 3x and area of the rhombus is 384 centimeter square. So 12x square is equal to 384 multiplied by 2 centimeter square. Therefore x square is equal to 384 multiplied by 2 divided by 12 centimeter square. So 12 3s are 36 and 12 2s are 24. This is equal to 64 centimeter square. Therefore x is equal to 8 centimeter, square root of 64 centimeter square. So what we get? AC is equal to 4x, that is equal to 4 multiplied by 8 centimeter, and this is equal to 32 centimeter. Again BD is equal to 3x, that is equal to 3 multiplied by 8 centimeter is equal to 24 centimeter. These are the diagonals of the rhombus. Now both the diagonals cut at a point O and they intersect at an angle of 90 degree. So triangle OAB is a right angle triangle. So in triangle OAB, AB square, which is the hypotenuse, is equal to OB square plus OA square. OB is equal to half of BD and this is equal to 12 centimeter. Again OA is equal to half of AC and this is equal to 16 centimeter. So here you can write OB square, that is equal to 12 centimeter square, plus OA square, that is 16 centimeter square, is equal to 144, plus 16 square is equal to 256 centimeter square, is equal to 400 centimeter square, and therefore square root of AB square is equal to AB and square root of 400 centimeter square is 20 centimeter. So AB is equal to 20 centimeter. Question number 11. A thin metal iron sheet is a rhombus in shape and each side is 10 meter. If one of its diagonals is 16 meter, find the cost of painting its both sides at the rate of ₹6 per meter square. Also, find the distance between the opposite sides of this rhombus. ABCD is a rhombus. Say side A is equal to 10 meter. And both the diagonals cut at a point O. And therefore OB is equal to OD and also OA is equal to OC, and triangle OAB is a right angle triangle. So A is equal to 10 meter and suppose BD is equal to 16 meter, and therefore OB is equal to 16 divided by 2, half of this is equal to 8 meter. Now, by applying the Pythagoras theorem, OA square is equal to AB square minus OB square, and AB is side is 10 meter, so 10 meter square minus OB is 8 meter, that is equal to 100 minus 64 meter square is equal to 36 meter square. Therefore, OA is equal to 6 meter. OA is equal to 6 meter. Now, if OA is equal to 6 meter, then AC, one of the diagonals of the rhombus, is equal to 2 times OA, because O is the midpoint of AC also, 2 multiplied by 6 meter, and this is equal to 12 meter. Now, area of the rhombus, area ABCD, is equal to half of product of the 2 diagonals, so that is AC multiplied by BD. So this is equal to half of AC is equal to 12 meter and BD is equal to 16 meter. So this is 96 meter square. Area of the rhombus is 96 meters. So if you have to paint its both the sides, then you have to consider area of both the sides is equal to twice the area of the rhombus, 192 meters square. So you have to paint this 192 meters square area at the cost of ₹6 per meter square. So 1 meter square of painting cost ₹6. Therefore, 192 meters square of painting cost ₹6 multiplied by 192, and that is equal to ₹1092 is the cost of painting both the sides of the rhombus both the sides of the iron sheet. Also, find the distance between the opposite sides of the rhombus. We know that a rhombus is a parallelogram only, so base multiplied by height, that means the distance between the opposite sides, is equal to the area of the rhombus. So here B is equal to 10 meter multiplied by H, the distance we have to find out, and area we got, that is equal to 96 meter square. So from this, H, altitude or distance between the opposite sides of the rhombus, is equal to 96 divided by 10 meter square divided by meter is equal to 9.6 meter. Question number 12. The area of a trapezium is 279 square centimeter and the distance between its own parallel sides is 18 centimeter. If one of its parallel sides is longer than the other by 5 centimeter, find the length of its parallel sides. So distance between its own parallel side is 18 centimeter, which is the height of the trapezium, and the sides are say A and B, and area is given 279 square centimeter. Let side DC is equal to B, B is equal to DC is equal to X centimeter. Therefore, side A, that means side AB, is equal to x plus 5 centimeter. The area of the trapezium half into a plus b, sum of the parallel sides multiplied the h is equal to area. So half of a is equal to 5 plus x plus b equal to x into h. It is given 18 centimeter is equal to area of the trapezium is 279 centimeter square. So therefore this 5 plus 2x, or we can say twice x plus 5, is equal to 279 multiplied by 2 divided by 18 centimeter square divided by centimeter. 2 nines are 18, 9 threes are 27, and 9 ones are 9. So therefore twice x is equal to 31 minus 5 centimeter, and therefore x is equal to, this is equal to 26 centimeter. So x is equal to 13 centimeter. Therefore side DC is equal to b is equal to x centimeter is equal to 13 centimeter, and side AB is equal to small a, that is equal to x plus 5 centimeter is equal to 13 plus 5 centimeter is equal to 18 centimeter. So these are the lengths of the parallel sides of the trapezium. Question number 13. The area of a rhombus is equal to the area of a triangle if base of triangle is 24 centimeter and its corresponding altitude is 16 centimeter, and one of the diagonals of the rhombus is 19.2 centimeter. Find the other diagonals. So this is the triangle and this is a rhombus. The area of triangle is equal to area of the rhombus, and the base of the triangle is 24 centimeter and altitude is 16 centimeter. Area of the triangle is equal to half into base into altitude, and that is equal to half into base is 24 centimeter and altitude is 16 centimeter. So this is equal to 192 centimeter square, area of the triangle, and area of the rhombus is also 192 centimeters because area of both triangles and rhombus are same. So area of the rhombus is equal to half into product of the diagonals of the rhombus. So the diagonals are AC and BD, D1 and D2 say. So we can write diagonal BD multiplied by diagonal AC, and area of the rhombus is 192 centimeters square, that is equal to the area of the triangle actually. So half of BD, suppose one of the diagonals, that means BD is equal to 19.2 centimeter multiplied by AC, the other diagonal, and which we have to find out. So AC is equal to 192 multiplied by 2 divided by 19.2, this is centimeter square, divided by centimeter, and 19.2 tens are 192, so this is equal to 20 centimeter. So other diagonal AC is equal to 20 centimeter. Question number 14. Find the area of the trapezium ABCD in which AB is parallel to DC. AB is parallel to DC and AB is equal to 18 centimeter. Side AB is 18 centimeter, and angle B and C both are 90 degree, and CD or DC is equal to 12 centimeter. Also AD is 10 centimeter. We have to find the area of this trapezium. So from this given diagram we can see that CB is perpendicular to AB, and also CB is perpendicular to DC. And if that is so, CB is the height of the trapezium. That means the distance between the parallel sides is equal to CB, because this is the perpendicular distance. So now a little bit of construction. Draw DE perpendicular to AB. Draw a line DE which is perpendicular to AB. So this is the line perpendicular to AE. Then DE is parallel to CB, and also DE is equal to CB. So EBCD is a rectangle, and EBCD is a rectangle. Now here you can see AE is equal to AB minus EB, and that is equal to AB is 18 centimeter minus EB, and EB is also equal to DC, and that is equal to 18 centimeter minus 12 centimeter, and this is equal to 6 centimeter. And you see triangle AED is a right angle triangle. Therefore DE square is equal to AD square, this is the hypotenuse, minus AE square, the base of the right angle triangle. And from this AD is equal to 10 centimeter square minus AE is 6 centimeter square is equal to 100 minus 36 centimeter square, and this is equal to 64 centimeter square, and therefore DE is equal to root over 64 centimeter square is equal to 8 centimeter. So we got the length DE. Now DE is equal to CB, and also this is the perpendicular distance between the parallel lines. So you can find out area ABCD is equal to half of A plus B sum of the parallel sides multiplied by 8, and which is also equal to DE or CB, and this is equal to half of A is 18 plus B is equal to 12 centimeter, and multiplied by the altitude, that is equal to 8 centimeter. So this is centimeter square, and this is equal to 120 centimeter square. So this is the area of the trapezium ABCD. This completes the exercise 20C. In the next video, we'll solve all the problems from exercise 20D. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and encourage me to make more videos on these topics. Thank you once again.